I'm on a whirlwind solo 4x4 tour of New Zealand's South Island.
Here we go.
Covering over 2,000 k's in 5 days, travelling on some of Aotearoa's most scenic roads. I take on 4 tough tracks in the trusty Dmax.
Dmax, just get it done.
Camping along the way, and attempting to film it all myself. If you're into all things touring, camping, and 4-wheel driving, or just keen to check out parts of NZ you may not have known existed, come along for the ride. I was meant to end up at Pelorus Bridge last night, but I didn't fancy a nighttime camp setup. So I stopped off on the way here, Lake Rotoiti in Kerr Bay campsite. It's a dock campsite and it's so specky, so good. And what a scene, what a scene. So glad I stopped here. I'm now off to Pelorus Bridge. It's just starting to rain. It wouldn't be a Terra 10 trip without a bit of rain. So I'm heading to Pelorus Bridge now, and there's a track I'm going to do up there. Hopefully it's not too slippery, slip-slidey. We're meant to get a fair bit of rain soon. So we'll see how we go. Here's the trailhead. I'm going to air down and then see what it's going to serve up. Let's go. The Maungatapu track turns off Maungatapu Road near Pelorus Bridge. The track heads up into the ranges forming the Marlborough-Nelson border. You were once able to take the track right to Nelson, but a landslide near the summit has made it impassable. I've heard it's still worth the drive though, so here we are. And it is pouring with rain. Who knows how treacherous this track's going to be. Look at that rain. Oh, that's insane. Seems pretty solid underfoot. Pretty glad it's not going to turn into a slip and slide on the way down. Good sideways with that one. Oh yeah, this is the summit. Well, it was a fun drive, but reasonably uneventful. Should we go make some events? Alright, there's a tricky little piece here. I'm going to give it a go. It switches back up on this area here to my right. Which is pretty high risk. Goes wrong, there's a cliff face down there. Let's take a couple of bites of this. Let's go. It's a gnarly angle. see where I'm going. Go to Dmax. The window's fogging up because I'm breathing so hard. Woo-wee. Let's crawl down this one. Right. Anyway, what I was going to say was I found a bit of a mud bog just down over there, so give that a bit of a crack too. I can't believe this weather around. Scroll down. Oh, that's steep. Switch back into this way. Couple of 3 stabs at it. There we go. Check a bit of front lock on that one. This actually puts you on the Nelson side of that gate, so someone's been a bit naughty and made that trick, but I'm not going to be naughty today. I'm going to go straight back through it. Let's get the steering back. Do it without the front this time. I'll grab it for you. Alright, I'm thoroughly soaked through. So with that, we'll head back down and set up camp for the night. Let's do it. Definitely more water on the trails now. It's a good idea to be heading out, I think. Well, last night it hammered down. It's pretty wet. Nothing like a cold and wet camp to make you miss home. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go home. I'm going to hop the ferry and make the journey all the way home to Hawke's Bay. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you again on Terra 10. That was the fourth and final track of my South Island tour. If you liked this video, be sure to check out parts 1, 2 and 3. Plus our YouTube channel has loads more of our 4-wheel drive trips around New Zealand. It's well worth checking out.